Welcome to our channel. We will see object oriented programming in Python, object oriented programming in Python classes, and object oriented programming in Python classes and objects explained. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that supports multiple paradigms. One of the most important and widely used paradigms is object oriented programming. OOPS helps developers design programs that are more organized, reusable, scalable, and easier to maintain. In this video, we will explore core concept of object-oriented programming in Python with a strong focus on classes and objects explained using simple language and practical examples. What is object-oriented programming or OOPS? Object-oriented programming or OOPS is a programming paradigm that organizes software design around objects rather than functions or logic alone. An object is a real world entity that has attribute data and that can perform actions, the methods. The attribute is data here and actions are the methods of the program. Real world example is think of a car. Attributes color, brand, speed. These are the attributes and actions are start, stop, accelerate. In OOP, we represent such entities using classes and objects. Why use object-oriented programming? OOPS offers several advantages. Code reusability, write once, use multiple times. Modularity, break large program into smaller components. Maintainability, easy to debug and modify. Scalability, ideal for large applications. Data security, using encapsulation and access control. Python fully support OOPS and make it easy to implement. Key concepts or OOPS in Python. What are the key components of concepts in Python? Before diving deeper, let's is a fundamental OOP concept: class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. In this video, we will focus on class and objects, and later we will see the encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Classes and objects form the foundation of all other OOP concepts. What is a class in Python? A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It defines the structure and behavior that objects create from its. A class is a blueprint template. A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It defines the structure and behavior that object create from it will have. Syntax of a class in Python: class, class name, and class body. Class, class name, and here it is its body. Let's create a simple class. So this is a simple student class without any code. Pass indicates pass indicates that an empty class or placeholder class. What is object in Python? An object is an instance of class. Once a class is defined, we can create multiple objects from it, creating an object. So we can create the multiple objects from the class. Each object has its own memory and can hold different data. Now we will define a class. So we have defined a student class and it has two variables, name and age. The init underscore init underscore. The init method is a constructor in Python. It automatically called when an object is created. Let's create another class. Class employee, class employee, def init, self, salary. So we have defined employee class which takes two parameter, name and salary. Now we will create the object of employee class. So these are the two objects of employee class, and employee has different data and employee 2 has different data. So this way you can create an class. You can define a class in Python, then create object of class and access the object variable. What is self in Python? Self is a reference to the current instance of that class. It allows access to instance variable and methods. It must be the first parameter of instance method. You can see another example which does not take any parameter. Class car. So this is the usage of class car class in Python. We have a class and here it defines a methods display which prints the data, and there should be a first argument self. Methods can also return values. So we will define a class that returns the value. So this is the calculator class, and we will create the object of calculator class. And print. So it returned the sum of a plus b. Class variables and instance variables. Class variable. A class variable is shared by all objects. So let's create an example of class with class variable. This is class variable and instance variable is this. And this is instance variable. Let's create the object of class. This is John, and second object is let's print. You can create the multiple objects from a class. So this is the class, and we create the comp1 and comp2 object by passing the different values here. So this way you can create the multiple objects as well. Now I want to change the company name is changed, and now we can print the value here. So this way you can change the, but this is the same. So this way you can change the instance variable value. When you should use OOP in Python. OOP is especially useful when building a large scale application, developing web application, creating reusable libraries, working with real world entities, writing maintainable enterprise level code. Common mistakes beginner make. So you should avoid these mistakes. Forget to use self, confusing class variable and instance variables, not using constructors properly, writing procedural code inside class. Object-oriented programming is a powerful approach that makes Python programs more structured and maintainable. Class act as blueprint while objects are real instances created from those blueprints. Understanding the classes and objects is the first step toward mastering advanced OOP concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.